Welcome back, I'm Rachel, and in this video we're going to go over the structure of the trapezoid bone. This bone is also known as the lesser multangular bone. Where are these bones located? The trapezoid bone is a paired bone located in the middle of the wrist on each hand. If we look more closely at the back or dorsal view of the right hand, we can see highlighted in red the trapezoid bone. If we now look at the palmar view, it is again seen highlighted in red. Now we're going to look at the different landmarks and features of the trapezoid bone. Here we have the proximo-medial view and the disto-lateral view of this bone. This bone has 6 surfaces. The first of these surfaces is the palmar surface, which is roughened for ligament attachment. The second surface is the dorsal surface, which is also roughened for ligament attachment. The third surface is the distal surface. This surface is triangular and has a facet on it for articulation with the second metacarpal bone. The fourth surface is the proximal surface. This surface is slightly concave and has a facet on it for articulation with the scaphoid bone. The fifth surface is the medial surface. This surface is concave and has a facet on it for articulation with the capitate bone. The sixth and final surface is the lateral surface. This surface is convex and has a facet on it for articulation with the trapezium bone. Let's now take a closer look at the articulations this bone has with other bones. This bone articulates with 4 other bones. The first of these articulations is with the scaphoid bone. The facet on the proximal surface of the trapezoid bone articulates with the facet on the distal surface of the scaphoid bone. The second articulation is with the capitate bone. The facet on the medial surface of the trapezoid bone articulates with the facet on the lateral surface of the capitate bone. The third articulation is with the trapezium bone. The facet on the lateral surface of the trapezoid bone articulates with the facet on the medial surface of the trapezium bone. The fourth and final articulation is with the second metacarpal bone. The facet on the distal surface of the trapezoid bone articulates with the base of the second metacarpal bone. What about the muscles that attach to this bone? This bone has only one muscle attachment. A portion of the deep head of the flexor pollicis brevis muscle originates from the palmar surface of this bone. And that concludes this video on the structure of the trapezoid bone. I hope you found it helpful.
Thank you for watching. If you want to support this channel, please subscribe and check out more of my videos.